This guide will help you understand how to install the Roblox Audio Desync feature for 2025. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 1. Download the required files. Visit the official Roblox website or trusted community forums to download the latest audio desync files for 2025. Ensure you are downloading from a reliable source to avoid any malware. Step 2. Extract the files. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded zip file and extract its contents to a folder on your computer. You can use built-in extraction tools or third-party software like WinRAR or 7-zip. Step 3. Locate the Roblox installation folder. Find the folder where Roblox is installed on your computer. This is typically located in your Program Files or Program Files 86 directory. Open the Roblox folder to prepare for the next step. Step 4. Replace the audio files. Copy the extracted audio desync files and paste them into the Roblox installation folder. Make sure to overwrite any existing files when prompted. This step is crucial for all the new audio settings to take effect. Step 5. Launch Roblox and test. Open Roblox and start a game to test the audio desync feature. Pay attention to the audio synchronization during gameplay to ensure everything is working as intended. If you encountered issues, double-check the installation steps. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install the audio desync feature for Roblox in 2025. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.